makeup has literally never looked better. Today we're going to attempt to recreate celebrity makeup artist Nina Park's incredible makeup looks. She is the artist behind so many of my favorite makeup looks. What I love about her looks is she really just enhances her client's natural beauty in such a soft, feminine way. I'm gonna start off by hydrating the skin with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. If you look at all the pictures of her work, you can still see their skin showing through. I'm assuming she's using something really light. I am using the Makeup Forever Skin Tint. Now I'm going in with the Clay Depot Concealer, and I'm just adding it any areas that I need a little bit of coverage in. Now with the warmth of my finger, I'm just going to tap this and melt it into the skin. I'm taking my damp sponge and just blending the rest, taking a little bit of that concealer over the eye as well. The Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer is perfect for looks like these because it gives you some contour and bronze, but also keeps your skin showing. Finish is just so natural. Also adding some to the nose as well. She always has a really beautiful soft neutral blush, so I'm gonna do a little blush combo. These are both from Say. I'm gonna add Lady. Now I'm just going to start tapping this on the high points of the cheeks. The formula of these Say blushes is perfect for this type of look because it's a little bit sheer and gives a natural skin-like glow. I'm going to tap a little bit on the nose. Something about Nina's looks that sets her apart is they are blended to perfection. Like, you cannot tell where the makeup starts and finishes. So I'm using my sponge and I'm really going everything just to make sure it's blended seamlessly. I love the freckles on all of her clients. I am going to do a little trick that I actually saw Ash K. Holm do. She says this is how she does the Lohan's freckles. I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow on just a really small detailed brush, some Fix Plus. Now I'm just gonna go through and add some freckles and then blend with my finger. Now I'm switching to a lighter brown and adding some just to give the freckles a little bit of dimension. And now I'm going back with the Skin Enhancer and I'm just lightly gonna tap nose contour again. I'm going to very lightly powder the under eyes with the One Size Translucent. Love the Charlotte Tilbury powder for the rest of the face because it's gonna set it, but it's not gonna take away all of the glow that we have. Now we're going to melt all of the powder with MAC Fix Plus. Now with my sponge, I'm going to add a little bit more blush right on top of all the powder. And we're going to bring the skin back to life. I want to keep the natural shape of the brow, so I'm just lightly going to fill in my gaps with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Just adding some brow gel so that the brows don't move, but I'm not really like fluffing them up. I love the way that she does eyes. They're bold, but still soft. I'm going to use my YSL Mini Couture Clutch palette. And I'm just taking that brown shade and placing it all over the lid. And same for the lower lash. Eyeliner is what is really going to make the eyes pop. So I'm using Prada, the shade is Wood, and I'm just tightlining all around my eye. I'm just flicking that out very, very lightly and give us a little baby wing. All of her eyeliner is very softly diffused, so I'm just gonna take that brown and I'm lightly gonna go over that and just smudge it out. I feel like this is how she gets all of her bold liner looks to still look really feminine. You can just see the difference between this eye that is blended and this one that isn't. This one's just a little more harsh. She always has a really nice glow on the eyes, so I'm gonna add some of this Bobby Brown and I'm putting it on with my fingers so it's not as intense. And then she always has a really beautiful inner corner highlight. Lashes are curled. Now I'm using some of this Dolce & Gabbana mascara. I really want to nail the lip combo for this look because I feel like that's what she's known for. I think that she goes in with the contour first. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever HD palette and I'm gonna take this grayish kind of contour shade and I'm just gonna start outlining my lips. So far that is looking good. Now I think she goes in with the actual lip liner. I'm gonna use Limitless Brown Makeup Forever. Now I'm just gonna blend that with the same brush. Now I'm just gonna dab a little bit of a nude lipstick. This is MAC Honey Love in the center. To add that natural flush in the lips, I'm gonna add a little bit of Benetint and it's really gonna revive the lips. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I have never been more obsessed, but let me know what you guys think of the look.